Welcome! Today we'll learn how to write propene using different chemical formulas, molecular, structural, and skeletal. Let's start with the molecular formula. Propene has 3 carbons and 6 hydrogens, so its molecular formula is C₃H₆. Next is the structural formula, which shows how all atoms are connected. Propene has 3 carbons in a chain, with a double bond between the first 2 carbons. The first carbon has 2 hydrogens, the second carbon has 1 hydrogen, and the third carbon has 3 hydrogens. Finally, let's look at the skeletal formula. In this simplified representation, each vertex represents a carbon atom, and the double bond is shown with 2 parallel lines. Hydrogens aren't shown. They're implied based on carbons need to form 4 bonds. These 3 formulas, molecular, structural, and skeletal, all represent the same molecule, propene. The formula you choose depends on what information you need to convey.